Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Open TikTok, tap Profile, then Settings and Privacy. You need an active login and verified email or phone to change key protections. Once you're in Privacy, tap Account Privacy to set profile from public to private. This stops unknown users from viewing your content. Make sure two-step verification is enabled under Security to prevent unauthorized changes. These first steps lock the door, so the following controls actually protect your posts and messages. Now fine-tune interactions. In Privacy, choose who can send you messages and who can interact with your videos. Set duet and stitch to friends or off if you don't want others reusing your clips. Once done, restrict comments and mentions to friends or turn them off to reduce harassment. Also disable downloads and set profile viewability so only followers can see full details. These controls reduce exposure and limit how content spreads beyond your chosen audience. Finish by auditing your followers and removing anyone you don't recognize. Make unwanted accounts private or block them. Next, check connected apps and revoke permissions for third parties you don't trust. Once everything looks right, test changes with a secondary account or ask a trusted friend to confirm visibility. If a setting won't save, clear the app cache, force close and reopen, or update TikTok. If that fails, log out and back in or reinstall. These steps resolve most issues and secure your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.